Hey guys!
What's up?
We're here! Disney Swan. So excited. We got checked in. And I guess surprisingly, because it's 1:11, our room was ready.
Yeah.
Super excited. So we're going to show you the room and then we're going to, I think, head to Epcot.
Yes.
So let's show you around. First of all, this is our doorway as always.
And we've never actually technically stayed at the Swan. I slept on the couch one night when my brother was here for an event, but that was it. It was literally sleeping. These are very comparable, I feel like, to the Dolphin, but I don't feel like the Dolphin has this double sink set up, do they?
I don't know.
I can't remember.
Because obviously here's your one sink, plenty of storage. There's your second sink, toilet, and shower.
Like a nice big rain head. And the little wand and everything.
Mm-hmm. And tub for the kiddos. Yeah. If anybody has kiddos.
That can be very important.
And then I like how there's a mirror on the door. And then there's storage, which is great.
Actually came with two of the luggage racks.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's on accident.
So
like somebody requested a second one or something and then they left it here. Or, I don't know.
Maybe.
Now, major difference, and these are good sized rooms, major difference between Dolphin and Swan is that Swan has queen beds.
Woohoo!
Dolphin has full beds still, even after they refurbed the whole place, which I thought was kind of interesting.
So there's our stuff right there. Hopefully out of the way, because this is not just our room for this weekend. This is our really good friend Lucy and Caleb that they're coming after they work. And they're both school teachers. Well, she's an assistant principal, but...
Your mini fridge. Oh, there's 2 waters in there already, and there's 2 under there. It doesn't have a tag on them like you'd have to pay for them. Big thing here is there's $32 parking fee if you park, and there's a $35 resort fee. So always remember that when you're looking at your rate. Something just to remember. Lots of storage. Starbucks coffee. Mm-hmm. You're just going to go get it somewhere else though, right? What is this?
I don't know. It goes into that thing.
Oh, I've not seen that kind.
So I think
like,
you
that's
just
the water?
slide it in.
Interesting. So it's like a disposable tray and everything.
So nice size TV.
Convention centers here, yeah, very good size TV.
So then your table and one chair, so you can work.
This is a convention center. So
I know, so I said you can work.
Like
and lonely chair.
But we can use lonely chair to sit in and look at our rooftop view.
Rooftop.
God, you can just feel that sun.
Oh, you can. We're gonna have to shut it.
Through here, yeah.
We're gonna have to shut it.
So you see boardwalk in the distance.
The waters were free when they stayed there at Dolphin 2 weeks ago, and they would give us more waters when we asked for towels. Nice. That's what Ryan said. Nice. Oh, there's Tower of Terror in the background. Yeah. Super cool.
We may get a view of some fireworks over the trees and stuff if we're not there watching them in person.
We'll see.
It's quite possible, actually.
We shall see.
Especially if you're up higher.
Yeah, just maybe shut all of it.
I'm shutting all of them because that sun is brutal coming in there.
Oh, and right now I know it makes it dark, but I had to set it was 70. I had to set it to
not a lot of
65.
So you can close those.
No,
but it's nice.
It's very nice.
And it's not really
I'm excited.
Like a theme. It's what? Elegant. Does it feel beachy or anything? Does it feel like upscale beach?
Well, you've got floor. What is this called?
Carpet.
Carpet.
It's called. We don't see it much anymore.
We don't. It's not laminate. So yeah, it's just very, to me, elegant and like not sterile, which I like.
Yeah, I like pops and stuff like that.
But I love the white beds. Super cool.
Yeah, and location.
Yep, we're about to walk to Epcot.
Yeah.
Hopefully not die of heat.
I know. It is very, very warm out
I'm going to fill our water bottles with water, or our Mickey bottles. And then, we're going to go over there, and what are we going to do? Just maybe
hop over to
shop?
Tampa Lounge at 4.
Oh.
For a little Wonderland crew meetup.
Okay.
And then we will be coming back to this area to hit up Epcot this evening.
Hopefully with my magic band, watch fireworks.
Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I honestly don't know what the plan is. We have a couple little plans here and there, like Tambu Lounge at 4 today, Topolino's at 5 tomorrow.
Other than that,
not a ton.
We're free falling.
Yeah.
Free falling.
Which I kind of like. It's kind of nice, and we're gonna meet up with a bunch of awesome people. So, as always, we'll see you guys real soon.
Yes. Bye, guys.